Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the unboxing video of the Casio WS-B1000. I have reviewed two step tracker Bluetooth models before, the G-Shock GDB500 and the classic looking ABL100. I skipped this one because I thought I did not need it. The features are quite similar. But it turns out my wife really likes the G-Shock. She wears it very often. I still need a sport step tracker, and the price of this model is much better now, so why not? Here is the box it comes with. It is a nice white paper box with text, a manual and a warranty paper inside. And here is the watch. It looks good. The design is sporty and tough, but still slim. It is a bit like the GDB500, but with a simpler strap mechanism and asymmetric buttons. There are 3 round metal pushers, 1 rectangular plastic button, and 1 front button. The case is made of resin. The bezel has a glossy finish, while the main case is matte. On the front, there are 4 screws that highlight the tough style. The crystal is resin or acrylic, so it is not very scratch resistant. On the back plate, it shows 10 bar water resistance. This is good. The WS series usually means water sport, so most models have at least 100 meters water resistance. The strap looks decent, not entry level. It also has more holes, which is very good for sports use. I chose the positive display version, so it is easier for me to read. Here are the modes: timekeeping mode, stopwatch, recall mode, timer, dual time, and alarms. The step tracker is inside the timekeeping mode. It also has Bluetooth connection, but you need to pair it with a smartphone to use it. Here is the backlight. It uses an amber LED on the left side, and it is quite bright. The size fits me well. I will make a detailed review soon. If you have any questions, such as strap replacement, specific features, and so on, please write in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a great day.